What's up, boss man?
What's going on?
You got your license and insurance on you?
Yeah, I got all that.
All right, man. You switched lanes without signaling, and then when you came in here, hold on. And then when you came in here, you signaled. You got a signal outside of 100 feet.
I got a signal outside of 100 feet.
Yeah, brother. Yeah. Outside of 100 feet. Initially, when you switched lanes to the right lane, you didn't signal to switch lanes. And then when you came in here, you signaled, but not outside of 100 feet.
I'm saying, I just feel like, what you doing? I'm saying.
What do you mean? I'm doing my job, bro.
I'm saying, I don't have nothing to, I didn't do anything wrong. You acting like I switched lanes. I put my signal on.
Hey, brother, this is my job, man. All right? It's just
But
a
I'm
traffic
saying,
stop.
what's
Hey,
your job?
that's me. To pull traffic stops on violations. Are you looking for insurance?
No, I ain't looking for nothing. Boss man, I'm trying to tell you, I ain't on no bullshit. I'm cool.
I don't know you, brother. You know what I'm saying? I don't know you.
You getting to know me. I'm giving you my
What's in the
insurance.
cup? Let me ask you that. I smell booze. Is it just a little bit of booze?
Small stuff.
What is it?
Small stuff.
All right, no big deal. What is it? Wine?
No, little stuff. I just came from my homie crib.
All right.
My homie just came in town.
All right, man. Listen to me, all right? I'm not too worried about a little bit drinking that cup, all right, man? I'm not worried about that, all right? I'm not worried about that. While I run you, though, step outside here for me. David, one more car, no music.
I just gave you my stuff.
Yeah, I got you.
Bathroom.
You can't use the bathroom right now.
Why I can't?
Because you're on a traffic stop.
Why I'm on the traffic stop?
No, hey, no weapons on you?
No.
What's this?
That's my dick.
Nah, man, it's not.
It is my dick.
It's not.
That's my dick, bro. What are you doing?
Hey.
What are you doing? Come on, man.
Listen
Don't
to
do
me.
that. Don't do that.
David, step it up.
What are you doing, bro? What are you doing?
Hey, do not reach. 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 Step it up.
Where'd you go?
Do not reach, bro. You're gonna get taken. Do not reach or you're gonna get shot. Do not reach. Do not reach. Bro. Do not reach. Bro, do not reach. Do not reach. Bro, do not reach for that gun. Do not reach for that fucking gun. Do not reach for that fucking gun or you're gonna get shot. You hear me? You hear me? It's not worth it, bro.
Oh, what are you doing?
It's not worth it. Bro. It's not worth it. You're gonna get shot. Do not reach. David, step it up. He's got a gun.
Oh, get up there.
David, step it up. You get shot. Go. David, step fire. Step fire.
Step back, step back.
Cover this gun. Cover this gun.
360.
I want to talk, okay?
Why you got the gun out on?
Because they told us that you pointed a gun at him.
Because he was finna fight.
Okay, listen. All we want to do is talk. All we want to do is talk, okay? All we want to do is talk. That's right. I don't want to hurt you. You don't want to hurt me, right?
Yeah.
Okay, great. All we want to do is talk.
You crazy as fuck. Boy.
Okay, all we want to do is talk.
Okay, what's up?
Okay?
About what?
I ain't gonna do,
What we gonna do?
right?
Because if we down, let's go out here. Let's show
No.
Let's show what? Let's go do it, nigga.
Oh, cover.
You wanna do it? Let's go.
Go. Head. Hey, gun. Go on.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun now! Get on the fucking ground! Get on the ground! Now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Less lethal.
Leslie. Get on the ground. Now.
This is not what we want to do.
What are you doing?
We don't
Why I
want to
gotta
do
get
that.
on-
All right, we do not want to hurt you, okay?
Why I gotta get on the ground? Why? I didn't do nothing.
Keon, get on the ground. Tase him, tase him.
Cover, cover.
Drop the gun. Drop the gun.